In Queensland, we love our indoor-outdoor lifestyle. So why would you limit yourself to having your house closed up with ducted air conditioning? Evaporative cooling gives you the best of both worlds. That cool, refreshing breeze inside and that indoor-outdoor lifestyle that we love in Queensland. Evaporative cooling is value for money. It's 2/3 the installation cost of ducted air conditioning and is also the environmental choice. The carbon footprint is much smaller as it's only 25% typically of the running cost of ducted air conditioning.
We installed the Breezair evaporative cooling system and I'm so happy with the product. It's very economical, doesn't suck the power like the air conditioners do. We love our indoor-outdoor lifestyle and I love the fact that I can just leave the doors wide open, the windows wide open for that healthy airflow coming through, and the whole family loves it all year round.
Hot and dry outside air is pumped through water-soaked cooling pads. The water evaporates and the heat in the air is absorbed, which lowers the air temperature. A fan then pushes the cool air throughout the house via a network of ducts. With energy prices escalating along with summer temperatures, evaporative cooling offers a significant edge over ducted air conditioning when it comes to energy efficiency, healthy lifestyle, performance and airflow. And here we have the Seeley Digital Magic Touch Controller. With the touch of a button, you can control the whole system. You can run it on cool to provide evaporative air throughout the house, or on humid days, you can run it simply on vent to provide natural airflow. Our friendly team at Tradesmen On Time can install a Breezair evaporative cooler in your home. Call us today for an obligation-free quote.